YouTube, it's your boy LHR right here, man. You know, just got done with surgery, been here all day. Yeah, man, surgery was a success. They fixed my meniscus and ACL tear. Right now, I just got finished using the bathroom urinating, so I'm about to go get dressed, go home, and start the process for recovery, man. I'm gonna show you what they got me in right now. This is what they have me in. Right here. That's how I'm looking. I may sound weird because the anesthesia that they gave me, you know, is still in there. It's wearing off right now, but I'm tired. My leg hurts a little bit, but they blocked the pain with some blocking thing, you know? So everything is good now, you know. I'm up, about to go home. Just want to show you how the process. Got me in IVs, you know. This is what you'll be going through if you ever tear your ACL, which I hope doesn't happen to any one of you who ever see this video. Yeah, man, it was a success, man. I'm happy. It's gonna be a painful couple weeks from now. I woke up in pain, and I know when this medicine wear off, I'm gonna be in pain more. So it's gonna be a painful couple weeks. I'm gonna take y'all with me on this road to recovery. Man, I'm very happy that it's over. I'm kind of nervous of what's ahead with the pain and things like that. He took my hamstring instead of patella bone, he took the hamstring and used it as a graft, shaved my meniscus, things like that. You know, fixed it. My next visit, which is on the 10th, he will show me pictures of it, and I will show you that. I will document that for you guys. But yeah, man, it's your boy LHR, flying in the car looking like a star. Thank you for watching. Journey continues, y'all. Journey continues.
What it do, YouTube? Today's the third day after surgery, and it's been crazy, y'all. I'm telling you. I've been lightheaded. I've been in pain. I've been pissing a lot. I've been feeling like I'm about to faint. I think I fainted for 3 seconds. Came back. Oh, man. This is painful, man. My knee's burning. I'm taking the medicine and stuff, you know, it's helping a little bit, but yo, out of all the YouTube videos I watched, they didn't say the process was gonna be like this, man. But day 3, a lot of pain, lightheadedness, you know, regular stuff. I check back in with y'all day 4, man, day 4. And for the exercises I've been doing, I've been having my girlfriend stretch my leg out, you know, bend it, stretch it, bend it. We did that like for a minute, nothing long, because the pain is crazy. We're gonna do it again later on tonight and tomorrow, you know, in the upcoming days. What they do, YouTube, today's the 4th day, I think, the 4th or 5th day. I'm not too sure, I lost count of the days, but I know it's like the 4th or 5th day. And taking the medicine that the doctors prescribed to me has been very helpful, you know. When the pain comes, and it comes hard, I pop a pill, pop the medicine that they gave me, the prescription that they gave me, and the pain subsides for a couple hours. Then the pain comes back, and then I just keep doing that. I'm getting more range of motion in my knee. I'm having my mom, my girlfriend, help me bending it, stretching it, bending and stretching it. Today has been one of the better days as far as pain-wise. I've been doing physical therapy myself. Just bending, stretching, bending, stretching, bending, stretching. I'll show you what that looked like in some later videos. I don't have someone to record it right now, so I can't show you that. But it's just basically I'm laying on the bed. My girl or mom is bending my knee, stretching my knee, bending my knee, stretching my knee. Yeah, that's about it. That's basically what I've been going through. Today I couldn't sleep. I go to sleep for 30 minutes and wake up, 20 minutes, wake up, stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's getting better and better. I go see my doctor tomorrow. Hopefully I can take off the bandage and see what my knee looks like. And yes, I will take you on that journey with me. Yeah, day 4 or 5. It's your boy LHR. This is what you'll be going through if you ever get an ACL and meniscus tear. I'll catch you on the next
video. YouTube, it's your boy LHR, man. You know, today I'm going to my doctor's appointment today.
hopefully the doctor sees me and he could take off these bandages. And yeah, I woke up in pain today. Couldn't take the medicine because I ain't eat. You're supposed to eat before you take the medicine, so things like that. I couldn't take it because I didn't want to feel extra nauseous. I already felt nauseous when I woke up and lightheaded. So yeah, on my way to the hospital. I'll show y'all. I'll videotape it when I get there. Show y'all the process of what goes on there. Catch y'all in the next one, man. This looks good though. This looks really good. Very good. Good. This looks pretty. This is good. This is good. It's a little swollen, which is fine. Alright. What do you do, YouTube? Today is December 11th, I think it is. I'm not too sure what day exactly it is, but I will put it in on the screen for you guys. The reason I haven't, it's a big jump in the days is because I've been in a lot of pain, trying to get up, walk, move around the house. And it's just been very painful for me, man, very painful. So I haven't been posting nothing like that. I haven't been posting things because it's been very painful. Right now I'm about to, just wash up because I haven't showered since the surgery. So I'm just washing up. Me and my girl, she's gonna help me out. Moving my knee back and forth, back and forth. I'm about to show you what that look like right now. So this is what it looks like when I move my knee. Just basically, bending it as far as I can. Doctor says he wanted it at 90 degrees. I can't quite get it there yet. And just pushing, just the same thing over and over again. Pushing. Yeah, my knee is still swollen, oh man. I'm going to rewrap the knee tonight. Put the bandage and stuff on very well. That's just about it. I got physical therapy coming the 15th next week. So I'm gonna go there, take y'all with me, show y'all what they have me do there. And that's about it, man. Catch y'all on YouTube. I'm not even sure, man. It's probably like day 11, 12. I haven't been recording like the last video you would see, like the last day you would see is day 7. So yeah, it's been a jump through days. Haven't really been, doing anything, just trying to get up, make a little walk to the bathroom, but get up out the bed, sit in my chair, bend my knee, stretch my knee, regular stuff. Today's pain has been wicked, and when I say wicked, that's like today's pain has been bad. I don't know, it's new pain. I just rewrapped my leg, and for some reason my leg is real tender, man. It's like real tender. The top of my foot feels numb. It's just crazy. I'm gonna talk to my doctor when I see him to get a better understanding what's going on. But I think he's gonna say it's normal. Physical therapy is in 2 days, so the next video you will see will be me starting my physical therapy and doing that. But yeah, man, road to recovery. It's been a long one. I know it's been very stressful on my girl, but it's been very stressful on me too, man. Like right now, my knee is throbbing. But yeah, that's it, man. Just keep me y'all posted, I'll catch y'all in the next one.